Here's how to automatically prioritize tickets from really unhappy customers within Zendesk using Intelligent Triage's sentiment detection feature. Let's go. We'll build a trigger that flags tickets when Zendesk is confident that the sentiment is really negative. Start by creating a new trigger. In the conditions, we'll get specific. Set the ticket status to new, set the number of agent replies to 0, so it only runs if no one's replied yet. Then, set the sentiment confidence requirement to high. We only want this automation to run when Zendesk is certain. Finally, set sentiment to very negative. That's the power of Intelligent Triage. Zendesk reads the sentiment of the message before the agent even glances eyes on it. Now for the action. Set the ticket priority to high. In most setups, that'll mean the ticket will get a tighter SLA and jump to the top of the queue. But depending on your workflows, you could also assign it to a specialist group, notify a team leader via Slacks or Teams, or update a custom field to flag it for a review. Use whichever actions help your team respond faster and more effectively. And that's it. A simple trigger that prioritizes unhappy customers before the problem escalates even more. Stay tuned for the next video in our Zendesk Unlocked series.